Hey guys, welcome back to the bench. Today just a quick little video. I was doing some I was cleaning out where I store all of my bulk tobaccos, and tobaccos, once I open them, I always put them in a jar. And I have them on 3 shelves now. I used to have them on 1, then 2, now 3. And I found old jars of stuff that I personally blended. I bought some blending components a couple years ago from smoking pipes, I do believe. And I've made 3 blends in the past couple years, and I pressed them. And actually, the best video I have on this channel on YouTube is of me popping out the last blend I did, and I cut it, and I have a little smoke. Because most of my videos get about 80 to 90 views. This video almost has 5,000. So I'll leave a little card there. You want to go check that out. But I came across these because I was cleaning up, and I said, oh, what am I going to do with this? So I threw them all in a press, and I pressed them for like a month, and I made a very tight little puck. How many ounces, I don't know. It definitely wasn't 2 ounces. And then I was doing some stuff in the kitchen, and I had my vacuum sealer out, and I was like, I should vacuum seal it. So I vacuum sealed it, and I vacuum sealed it on the 10th of February. And here it is. It has some Black Cavendish, White Pearly, Low Country Virginia, Natural Virginia, and Perique. That's everything that was in this this blend. What does Jim from Emerson Southern? He has his jars of doom. This is my pretentious puck of, I don't know what to call it. But I figured today is a good day because it's been vacuum packed. It was in the press for like a month. It's been vacuum packed since the 10th of February, and it is. If I threw this at you, I could hurt you. But let's pop it out. I have some scissors. I have my board out here. We'll cut off some chunks. We'll try to flake it out, and we'll give it a smoke and see what we get. So let me get my stuff together and get this out of the bag. All right, here we go. We're back. Here's our vacuum packed puck. So let's get this open. I'll hold it up. I don't know if we're gonna be able to hear anything. There was a little bit of a wisp when I did that. Just a tiny bit of a wisp. And I will have to peel this off because I always stick that on my jars when I stick it in the jar. Well, I will say, here it is. Oh my goodness. That is, that's a puck, man. That is a, oh my goodness. Oh, hey, look, you can see my hat, my gray beard. It does have a nice chocolatey smell. Well, I admit. Forgot to get my knife, guys. So we're gonna give this a, let me zoom in here. You guys can, little zoom in on the cut. So here we go. Like I said, this is the 4th. Oh my. That looks like that'll be enough for a decent sized bowl, as far as I can tell. If you see that, it's, the tobaccos are kind of mixed together. It's a little dark. Oh, I'm dropping some flake off. I'm gonna get this and rub it out there. It's not looking too bad. You can see everything's together there. Definitely is. It's not a problem with the moisture content being too high in this plug, that's for sure. And I think having it in that press, that little bit of Black Cavendish was in there. I pushed out any and all moisture that was in there. So I'm going to grab a pipe. I got a nice little Brigham 1 dot. We're going to load that up, and we'll see how she smokes. All right, well, what do I think? Did the char light. On the char light, got a bunch of chocolate cocoa notes. It was kind of sweet. I think it's that, I think it's the Cavendish. See, yeah, see, lose our focus when I mess with the, when I darken the shot up. But, oh, I put a new light up here and have it off now because it's super bright. It's like the other LED lights. So I got rid of the, I was calling it the Simpsons light because it was an old fluorescent light and it seemed to make everything kind of yellow. I was trying to go with like a little homey feel here. And I got this little, redid that light and it doesn't do much. But onto the blend. This is Noah's blend number 4, I do believe. Coming out of my nice little Brigham 1 dot. I've had this pipe a long time. I've talked about this pipe before. And it seems to be I always pull this pipe out when I'm in the shop. And I think every one of my homemade blends that I've pressed and pulled out, I've had the first bowl with this pipe. But, in the end, is it smokable? Absolutely. It's not real harsh, not bite my tongue. I think the biggest thing I'm picking out personally for me is the Cavendish. There's a small bug flying around in March. Yeah, definitely picking out the Cavendish. Not really getting much of the other stuff. It's kind of sweet, maybe some Virginias. I'd have to smoke it a few more times. Boy, it really made, like I said, I didn't weigh anything out. These were just what were in jars, and I was cleaning off the shelf, and they were taking up some space. And I'm not one to dump tobacco out unless it is hideous. And I figured, you know, what the heck? Let's press it up. But all of you home blenders out there, don't worry, I'm not coming for you. Yeah, actually, it's really not that bad. I could smoke this. I don't mind it. You know, if anybody out there wants to know how I did it, close your eyes, grab a bunch of tobacco, put it in the press. But just a quick video today. I just wanted to show that I did pop another plug out of the press, and this time I vacuum packed it. I don't know if that does anything, but I know I've watched videos of some of the big blending houses, and they'll press their tobaccos and then they'll vacuum pack them for a couple weeks and then cut their plugs out of it. What that does, I don't know. Maybe it melds the flavors together a little more. I'm unsure. But yeah, well, it's pretty smooth. There's nothing, you know, it doesn't have any Latakia in it, or Latakia, whatever you want to say. There's nothing big like that. I'm definitely getting the Cavendish. Maybe it goes down, I'll pick up some of the Virginias that were in there. And, you know. But it was fun to do. It's always fun to make a blend on your own and use the press. And like I said, this time I wanted to vacuum pack it. Not to repeat myself, which I do a lot in my videos, but that's what I wanted to do. Well, hey, I'm Noah. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.